Hello, my name is Alessandro. I'm the expert manager for air service. Today, we are introducing you to our W3 mobile fume extraction units for welding fume. The Mono Plus, the Uni 2C and the Uni 3.2. Three different solutions for one common goal: providing your workspace with clean and safe air. The Mono Plus and the Uni 2C are ideal for light to medium duty applications, especially for extracting dry welding fumes. The Uni 3.2, on the other hand, is designed for medium to heavy duty use and can efficiently extract not only welding fumes, but also dust from manual grinding and plasma cutting. Let's start with the Mono Plus W3. Compact, easy to handle, and perfect for occasional to regular use. Equipped with a powerful 1.1 kilowatt AC motor, the unit is highly robust and built for continuous operations. The AC motor ensures consistent airflow with minimal maintenance, perfect for everyday use. With its on and on switch, filter clogging indicator, and operating hours counter, you have everything under control. The performance on the Mono Plus W3 is 2,500 cubic meters an hour for fan capacity and an extraction at hood of 1,100 cubic meters an hour. The machine is W3 certified with a separation efficiency of over 99%. Inside the Mono Plus, we find a spark trap and a Syntex Plus filter cartridge. The filter can be removed and cleaned manually and has a convenient dust collection drawer. The machine is compatible with 2 and 3 meter long extraction arms. As an optional, the lighting kit and the spark protection grid can be added. The Uni 2C W3 is a modern unit designed for daily professional use under light to medium duty conditions. It's rugged, compact, and easy to install. Compatible with rigid or flexible arms in 125 or 160 millimeters diameter. Available in single or three-phase versions. The performance on this one has a fan capacity of 2,250 cubic meters an hour and an extraction at hood of 1,100 cubic meters an hour. Prepared for an automatic start and stop kit for better energy efficiency. The Uni 2C has a 3-stage filter system: a spark protection filter, an ultra-web high-efficiency nanofiber filter, and as an option we can add a 10 kilogram active carbon filter. The digital control panel in this case allows you to select the language, check the alarm log, or check the hour counter. The extraction arms are available from 2 to 4 meter length. The Uni 3.2 W3 is our newest model, an intelligent self-cleaning filter and extraction unit for heavy-duty applications. Designed for welding fumes, grinding dust, and particles from plasma cutting. Comes with an automatic start and stop function, has a maximum fan capacity of 2,520 cubic meters an hour, and an extraction at hood of 1,400 cubic meters an hour. The unit is available with 2 extraction arms as well, with a length from 2 to 4 meters. The features include digital control panel with language selection, alarm log, filter status, and compressed air monitoring. Plug fan extraction system, pre-chamber for spark and coarse dust separation. Automatic reverse pulse cleaning system, flow straightener on the side grills. So how does the Uni 3.2 W3 work? Fumes and dust enter from the top. Heavier particles fall directly into the first collection drawer. Fine dust settles on the outside of the filter cartridges and is removed during the automatic cleaning cycle, falling into the second collection drawer. Mono Plus Uni 2C, Uni 3.2. Three solutions for the various needs of your business. Certified, powerful, and safe. Because every business deserves clean air every day.